How to post on Instagram in 2020, and if you already know how to post on Instagram, still watch this video because you might learn something. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Jen Sargeant. I'm the creator of Digital Sargeant. I'm so happy you found this video. If you found this video, it's because you're more than likely a local or a small business owner that wants to learn more about digital marketing, and I'm the girl to help you do just that. Before we get to today's video, which is actually a tutorial on how I post on Instagram, I kindly ask that you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material all about local business digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. So let's talk about today's video, which is actually me showing you how I post on Instagram. Now, I created this video because one of my friends was asking for help. She's new to Instagram and she wanted to make sure that she was getting set up in the right way. So I created a tutorial video to show her, and then I thought maybe somebody else on the YouTube could use this tutorial as well. And in just a second, I'm going to share with you my screen on my iPhone, and I'm going to share with you how I post on Instagram. And even if you already know how to post on Instagram, I encourage you to watch this video because you might pick up on a tip or two that you never thought of or that you didn't know about before. So before I show you this tutorial, I hope that you give this video a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel so when I upload new material all about local business digital marketing, you'll be the first to know and you'll be the first to implement it. All right, let's get down to it. Okay, so let's upload material to our Instagram to post. So right there is how you can add multiple items to your post. That button will allow you to shrink or enlarge the material if it needs to be. And for this one, we're just going to upload one item. So I'm going to select that post and then hit next. You can add a filter if you want by selecting that filter option. You can trim the video if you'd like by cutting some off the beginning or the end. And you can add a thumbnail image or a cover image, and this one is what's really important. So I'm just going to slide my finger across to choose where I want the cover image to start. And here we're going to add a caption. We are also going to tag people. We are also going to add a location. I already have the caption that I want to post on my clipboard. So I'm just going to double tap where the cursor is and then hit paste to paste the caption. So now I'm going to add my hashtags from Google Keep. I keep them here as a easy place to access them for posting. And then I'm going to hit paste, and that is going to add the hashtags that I'm definitely going to focus on with every post. And then I'm going to add a couple of other hashtags that I want to target as well. Now I'm going to tag people directly on the artwork, and that is what you're seeing here. I like to tag absolutely anybody that could be relevant. Now I'm going to copy this entire post caption and put it in the spacing app. It's called Spacey. I'm just going to double click on it to paste it and then hit convert and bring that back over to my post and then hit paste. And this is how I get beautifully clean line breaks. Now we're going to add my location tag and boom, hit post. Now I'm going to show you how you can see your hashtag. So I'm going to click on the post, open it up, and then select the hashtag and go to the recent tab, and boom, that's where my post will be. I hope that video was really helpful for you, and I hope it gave you some inspiration for when you post on Instagram. And how easy is that Google Keep option for hashtags? Like seriously, it's a life changer. So right about now, there should be more videos coming up on the screen. I hope that you watch them. I hope they're helpful for you, and please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.